In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Campfire chat in Basecamp. Let's get started. First, open the project where you want to communicate. Each project has its own Campfire, so make sure you're in the correct one to keep conversations organized. Once you're inside the project, click on Campfire from the project navigation. This opens the real-time chat area for your team. Now you'll see the chat window with existing messages and a text box at the bottom. Type your message in the chat box. Keep it short, clear, and easy to understand. If you're asking a question, include enough context so your team can respond without confusion. If you're sharing an update, start with the main point first, then add details if needed. Before sending, quickly review your message for clarity and tone. When you're ready, press Enter to send it. Your message will instantly appear in the Campfire for your team to see and respond to in real time. And that's it. You've successfully used Campfire chat in Basecamp. This helps teams communicate quickly, stay aligned, and keep conversations organized within each project.